You've probably heard of JavaScript. It's everywhere. It runs in your browser, on servers, in mobile apps. But if JavaScript is so popular, why are so many developers making the switch to TypeScript? Think of TypeScript as JavaScript with superpowers. Here's what that actually means. Every JavaScript program you've ever written is already valid TypeScript, but not every TypeScript program is valid JavaScript. So TypeScript isn't replacing JavaScript, it's building on top of it. Now the real question is, why do developers actually prefer it? TypeScript catches a whole class of mistakes before your program even runs. No more oops moments at runtime when a user is already staring at a broken screen. It makes your code easier to read and understand, so anyone jumping into your project can immediately tell what each variable is supposed to be. And as your project grows, TypeScript helps you refactor and scale safely without your codebase turning into spaghetti code. The secret behind all of this is static typing. With dynamic typing, which is what plain JavaScript uses, the type of a variable is only figured out while the program is actually running. With static typing, every variable's type is known at compile time before anything runs. A lot of developers argue about which approach is better, and honestly, it's a fair debate. But personally, I love catching bugs before I even run my code. That alone makes TypeScript worth it for me. If you already know JavaScript, picking up TypeScript isn't a huge leap. And once you do, you'll wonder how you ever went without it. Anyways, best of luck, and if you have any questions, join us in the Discord and ask. We'll see you next time.